So last time we did SAP BW data, tables, views, and info provider onto AWS S3 Cloud. This time we are going to put all of these objects onto Azure Cloud. So let's get going. So pretty much the same interface. You would be setting up an Azure destination. Let me quickly show you the Azure destination, which needs to be set up on SM59. So this would be your Azure destination setup, and the connection type is G. That's the basis setup which you need to do. And you need to get the key. I think I have shown how to get the SAS key because that's what we'll use for authentication. The table we are going to use is RM data state, which has SM data state, 6,000 odd entries. So I'll use this and ask to put this to be put on my Azure using the SAS key authentication. So when I execute this, it goes and creates this file. And if I go to my Azure data lake, data out, extract, and 12:18, what's the time? 33. So this is the file it has created for my RSM data state on Azure Data Lake. All right, let's do one more for the view also, because that's another common request. So I'm going to use again the /bi0 customer, which is this one again with 19,000 odd entries. And when I run this, then I get to Azure with the SAS key. Now it should have created this file. Again, you will notice that. Refresh this. And this is a 12:18, 10:36. This is the one which it has just created. Let me open this. So again, what it is doing is moving the / and /bi0 and replacing that with the underscore. So that's just so that it doesn't mess up with the directory names. And then the last one we want to do is to do this info provider, which is STAD01JL. So what here we'll do is to get the same object as report, and we are sending this data over to my Azure Data Lake. So when I run this, it has generated this report. Let's refresh. And this is the output it has generated for my AD01JL info provider. So what we've done is extracted a table, a view, and an info provider from SAP BW onto my Azure Data Lake. All right, I hope you find this useful. Thanks.